Today we're going to have some fun. I'm going to show you how to find a profitable product strictly using Keepa. Okay, so of course we're going to use RevSeller to calculate our profit, but we're going to do 100% of our sourcing out of Keepa. Okay, we're going to find one product and then Storefront stalk from this product using Keepa. Okay, so let's get started. To start, we are just going to look for a product that is easy to find and that any beginner can actually sell. Okay, so what kind of so let's just, and by the way, nothing is scripted. I'm literally starting from scratch right there, right? So we're going to look for great value product, which is a strategy that people used to do, that Amazon gurus loved to use to demonstrate to actually sell you on SellerAmp back then, right? So we are actually going to do this. Now, I'll tell you, it's not as easy as before to find great value product when running on Amazon search like this. For whatever reason, and it's the same thing with Keepa, it does not pull up. So we're going to look straight for juice, right? And we are going to pull up like this one, right there. Okay, let's just see if it's actually like profitable. And whoop, we went off Keepa, but that's 100% fine. Let's just figure out if this product is actually profitable. Let's check it out. So it's 3 great value juices, 3 different juices. I'm pretty sure it can actually work. Like, let's see. Like back then it was actually working. It's 410 for, wait, great value, low calorie, sugar-free drink. Let's just do this. So sometimes, by the way, you just need to rework that, that first, how is it called? Like that, like, because what RevSeller or SellerAmp will do is that they will take the whole title right here, which is optimized for Amazon like search engine, right? Not for Google, for you to actually find the product. Now, you probably need to buy them separately, right? So it's the 1.41 ounces, right? So you get the 1.41 ounces, which is, you just need to get the price of one, right? Which I assume will be 198. Let's check. So 198, let's explore the product because, okay, 141. Yeah, so it's 198. Great. On Walmart, we can easily get 5% cash back, right? So that's amazing. 198 times 3, we save 5%. So we actually lose, we actually make a little bit of money right here, but we can probably push the price up, right? So if we look at the Keepa, we see that Marco right there often sells at 12 something. So on the low end, we can actually sell at 12.50, right? We can actually list this at 12.50 and get it to sell at 12.50 easily, right? So that's a profitable product. Now, I'll tell you, going for the private label brands from any website or any like retailers like Walmart, Target, like any retailers that you can think of is always an easy way to find profitable products because these retailers do not sell on Amazon. They have their own platform, but the good thing is that people actually love shopping on Amazon, so they will actually buy these out of Amazon at a premium. Now, it's a 30 pack actually, so like it's fucked up. We're not going to make any money on this. I just noticed it, right? It's a 30 pack, which was not showing up right here. And I'm wondering if people actually sell. Yeah, because no, if it's 589, wait. Oh no, you actually get the 10 count for 198. Okay, no, we're good. We're cooking. It's fine. We are cooking on this. So it's actually profitable, right? So easy profit. Now, what we're going to do is we are actually going to Storefront stalk out of Keepa, meaning we are going to look at what this specific guy right here, Marco, who's been selling this product, actually sells as well. And chances are that we are going to find, and he's cooking. Marco is cooking with these, right? So chances are that we are going to find other products that this guy sells that we can find at Walmart, right? So we're just going to go on his storefront with Keepa because yes, you can look at people's storefront on Keepa and it's way better than other softwares that lets you do the same thing. And we're going to sort by how fast these products sell, right? And so we have a couple of products. So this guy probably used this to get it in grocery, right? But let's just look at, so this looks arbitrageable, this sells kind of fast. Let's see if we can double dip immediately and find a profitable product. The brand is selling this, so we're going to skip it. Okay, like really fast. We're not going to waste any time on this, but this guy is a newbie, so he probably sells a lot of trash. Dr. Bronner, let's see. That may be interesting. So 2043, okay. That's decent. We can find this at a good price, more than likely. Here we go. 970, 4-in-1 on PureFormulas.com. Let's see if it's the one. 873 with auto shape, 12 ounce, lemongrass lime, 12 ounce, 355. Is it 12 ounce? 350. Yeah, that's it. So 873, right? So immediately, that's how you double dip. And you actually find profit really, really fast. Okay, selling 50 times a month. It's decent, right? So we were able to double dip and find like really fast profit in like not even 6 minutes and 30 seconds, because I talked a little bit at the beginning, right? So this is how easy it actually is to find profitable products to flip on Amazon, okay? You don't need anything else. You can do it all with Keepa if you know what you are doing. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, you should actually sign up for my mentorship program. There's a link in the description. You figure it out, okay? You hop on a call with my team. You figure out if it's a fit or not to work together. If it is great, if it's not, that's fine, all right? So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.